So the intake manifold I already have for my 308 rebuild is an Edelbrock Performer. Now I started some research into maybe replacing it, and just to replace it with exactly the same thing was going to cost around $600 to $700. In all honesty, there's really nothing wrong with the one that I have. It's just that it's grimy and grubby and needs a clean, so that's what I did. Went and spent $60 and got it cleaned up. And the machine shop used wet blasting, which they said uses glass beads, and in less than half an hour, this is how it turned out. Much cleaner, still a little bit of staining in places. Inside's amazingly clean. And there's even a little bit of a gleam on some of it. Now, I didn't really expect a lot, and I'm really, really happy with that finish. And it's certainly heaps better than it was before, and it is all that I need to, at the very least, get this 308 started again. And I can look into other intakes after that. But right now, I reckon I'm ready to start cam research, so stay tuned.